Hello, my name is Dr. Jason Fiesta, and I am here to talk about one of the classes I'm teaching in the upcoming semester. So let me share the screen, make sure I'm getting the right one. So today we're going to be discussing Juvenile Law and Procedure, and it's PLA 4813. So if you're interested in this class, you may want to jot down the course number. And this course deals with juvenile law and juvenile topics that affect juveniles. So we do focus on Florida and the Florida statutes, but we also look at laws across the country, depending on what topic that we're discussing that particular week. This is not a social science class. We do focus on issues related to to juveniles and that affect juveniles. We don't, however, discuss things like gang violence or why teenagers bully each other or what effect that has. So those are topics that are discussed in a lot of different classes. This one, however, we deal with the law. And so some of the topics that we'll be dealing with or that we've dealt with include things like search and seizure as it relates to juveniles. We have discussed free speech issues in schools, and we've even discussed capital punishment as they relate to juveniles and the developments of the law in that area. For practical purposes, the next several points will be how the class is conducted. And one is that there's no textbook. Most of the reading material is given to you, if not all the reading material rather, is given to you. Links to the statutes that we use, many of the articles are going to be legal periodicals, law review articles on selected topics related to juvenile law, and even some case law. Quizzes, I'm sure you're interested in wondering about quizzing. We have the format of the quizzes are multiple choice and true false, typically. They are regularly scheduled, typically every third week we quiz. They are open book and open note. So any books or any sources that you have that we use to complete your assignments and your notes are, you're free to use during the quizzing. And finally, they aren't cumulative, so they don't build on each other. So the final exam only covers the last topic of the semester, for example. So if this is a class, or it sounds like a class that you might be interested in, I'd be happy to have you in one of my classes, my juvenile section, in the upcoming semester. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by email. Thank you.